Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has ranked Meta as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.44. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Meta has exceeded our expectations, delivering a remarkable gain of 19.46% since we first recommended buying it 37 days ago. In simpler terms, this means an average daily return of 0.53% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend. This trend is expected to continue, indicating a potential rise in the stock's value. Looking at the short-term trend over the past 3 months, there is a projected change of 22.65% in the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return on investment ranging from 14.00% to 26.83%. When considering the 12-month trend, the projected change is even more significant, with a potential increase of 92.28% over the next year. This indicates a possible return on investment ranging from 66.87% to 98.40%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $651.02 to $774.05 after 1 year. Our latest update on Meta brings some important news. The stock has been downgraded to hold/accumulate, indicating a weaker technical forecast. Yesterday, the Meta stock price experienced a decline of 2.48%. It went from $400.06 to $390.14. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $387.10 and a high of $398, representing a 2.82% variation. In the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 5.91% and has shown an upward trend in 7 out of the last 10 days. However, it's worth noting that volume increased by 2 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This might indicate a potential risk in the coming days. In total, approximately $7.80 billion worth of Meta shares were bought and sold, with a total of 20 million shares traded. Looking at the past year, the stock reached its highest price at $406.36 and its lowest at $147.06. Currently, the price is 3.99% below the 52-week high, standing at $16.22 lower. Today, let's talk about some recent analyst ratings for Meta. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, Needham gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action. Also on Wednesday, January 31, 2024, JMP Securities gave Meta a market outperform grade with a hold action. Moving on to Tuesday, January 30, 2024, UBS gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. Similarly, on Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Mizuho Securities gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Tuesday, January 23, 2024, Citigroup gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given the stock of a company called Meta a general rating of strong buy. They also rate the PE ratio of Meta stock as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the Meta stock an strong buy rating. Here are the signals identified for Meta stock. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. With the short-term average above the long-term average, the overall signal for the stock is positive. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance near $393.49 from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if it falls, it could find support around $362.61 from the long-term average. Breaking above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average would indicate a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, provides a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals recently, which could impact the stock's short-term performance. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 29, 2024, resulting in a 2.71% decline so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Yesterday, volume increased during falling prices, which could be an early warning sign and warrants closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator showed a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy 3 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell 2 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 38 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 59 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average signaled a buy 37 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 65 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta's stock has some important support levels. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $370.47 and $334.92. When a stock tests a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $370.47 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $334.92 and $325.28. Meta has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. In the last day, the stock moved $10.90 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 2.82% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.18%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Meta, let's start by understanding some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is crucial as it measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. The PE ratio we see here is relatively normal, which is commonly observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 7, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings are at $4.75. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we're going to dive into some potential day trading levels for Meta. If Meta is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $390.70. If you don't own any shares, it might be a good idea to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the flip side, if Meta is facing a downward movement, its first support level is at $370.47. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, signaling a potential rebound in the stock. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Meta is a strong buy. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Zuckerberg Mark. He bought and sold a total of 17,381 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -35.687. Overall, insiders have purchased 158,942 shares and sold 335,904 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $375.87, which represents a decrease of 3.66%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 2 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? While Meta holds several positive signals, we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. Instead, we suggest considering it as a hold candidate or accumulating position as we await further development. Our analysis conclusion has been downgraded from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since the last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Meta is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, February 1st, we anticipate Meta to open at $391.75, representing an increase of $1.61 from the previous day's closing price. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By accessing and utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on this particular stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so be sure to comment below and share your opinions. What price target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.